The PRINCE2 Agile Practical Implementation Guide, step-by-step advice for every project type, written by Jamie Lynn Cook. In a world where an organisation's responsiveness to change can be the difference between its long-term survival and its short-term departure, it is no surprise that organisations are moving toward more agile ways of doing business. PRINCE2 Agile is the ideal coupling of governance and responsiveness in a rapidly changing marketplace. It gives senior management the level of control and access to critical project information that it needs for confident, ongoing decision-making. The challenge for these organisations in establishing an environment that supports responsiveness to ongoing changes without jeopardising the need to ensure that corporate funds are being used effectively and delivering their intended business value. The successful implementation of PRINCE2 Agile requires far more than an agreed set of procedures and documents for the project team. It requires a shared vision, a collaborative mindset, and an open and honest working environment. Most importantly, for all organisations, PRINCE2 Agile provides a shared framework for communication, status updates, and issue resolution that focuses the entire team on continually delivering high business value outcomes. A reviewer quoted, "This book provides practical advice on how to adopt and adapt the PRINCE2 Agile approach to the needs of your organisation's project, whatever its size or complexity." The new chapters and updated text make it even easier to apply this framework to existing PRINCE2 organisations and to those without formal governance structures, to organisations who have delivered traditional waterfall projects as well as those experienced in agile methods. I will be adding this new addition to my toolkit and would urge you to do the same. The PRINCE2 Agile Practical Implementation Guide is available in softcover, ebook, EPUB and Kindle. Purchase your copy today at www.itgovernancepublishing.co.uk. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep up to date with our latest videos.